Hello students, I hope you all completed exercise 1.4. Now for the next exercise 1.5, today's topic is the complement of a set. Now what do you mean by complement? Let U be a universal set and let A be a set such that A is a subset of U. Then the complement of a set with respect to U is denoted by A dash, or we say that A to the power C means we call it A complement, or we can say that A minus U. It means that it contains all those elements which of the U which are not in A. U minus A means already you subtract all the elements of A. It means this complement of a set contain all those elements which are not in A. Simply, for example, how we denote in set builder form. For this, if U is a universal set and suppose this A is a set, so what do you mean by A complement? So this part shows that A complement means outside of set A. This whole part is known as A complement, or we say that A to the power C, or we say that A dash. In set builder form, A complement is equals to X such that X is belongs to in U but X is not belongs to in A. If this condition is hold, then only we say that these all the elements which belong in A complement are not in A. Okay. Now let's see an example. For this, we suppose that U is a universal set in which 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9 elements are there. A set A in which 2, 4, 6 and 8 are there. Set B 2, 3, 5, 7. Now question is that find out A complement, B complement, A union B complement, A intersection B complement, and A complement of complement. Complement of A complement. Okay. So for this first question, that is A complement. A complement means what? U minus A means 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Remove कर दो 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are belongs in A complement. Okay. Means A के सारे elements जो U में थे वो हमने वहाँ से remove कर दिए and the remaining rest all belongs in A complement, or we say that this. Second example, second question of this is B complement. B complement means in B 2, 3, 5, 7 are there. So in B complement 1, 4, 6, 8 and 9 are there. Now next third, that is known as B complement. Third is A union B. So first we find out A union B. A union B means 2, here is 3, here is 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this shows that A union B means A के सारे elements और B के सारे elements, कोई भी remaining तो नहीं है. देखो 2, 3, 5, 7 and 2, 4, 6, 8. ओके तो A के सारे एलिमेंट्स आ गए, B के सारे एलिमेंट्स आ गए. इट मीन्स इट इज A यूनियन B. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज दैट फाइंड आउट A यूनियन B complement. It means that A union B complement means the 1 and 9. Only 2 elements are there in A union B complements. Now next is A intersection B complement. So first we find out what is A intersection B. A intersection B means जो दोनों में कॉमन है. तो इन दिस सेट द 2 इज कॉमन इन बोथ A and B, and I think there is no element which is common. So it means only 2 is common in A complement B. So A complement B is A intersection B is equals to only 2, means only one element is there. So what is the A intersection B's complement? It means that हमें U में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. ओके तो 2 को छोड़ के एक्सेप्ट 2 ऑल द एलिमेंट्स आर बिलोंग इन A intersection B complement. Okay, now last is A complement and whose complement is there. So for this, first we are in part 1 we already find A complement. So what is A complement? So A complement is this. A complement is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Clear? This is A complement. Now question is that complement of A complement. So for this, except all these elements, we write only 2, 4, 6 and 8. So what we get? Complement of A complement. Here's, let's see. Complement of A complement means what? A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8. Again here we get A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8. So can we say that complement of A complement is equals to A? So this is the first property of the complement. These complement of a set complement is equals to set itself. Okay.